Cool, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna do the body kit on my car. Yeah, because if you look over here, you're gonna be able to see the tires sticking out.
You raced this car?
No, not yet. Close it. It's right there. You just have to line up the holes like perfectly. But right there's the spot. Drill a hole. There. Here. There. These holes right here. Alright, so that one. These three. Right. Go. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not perfectly lined up, but it's good for now. Alright guys, so I just finished putting on the front fenders. As you can see, left and right. It looks pretty nice. So this is the Shine body kit. The lines are not like 100% perfect, but before I paint them, bring it to the body shop so they could make sure all the lines are nice and even all around. Same for this one. And now we're gonna put the front bumper on next. Alright, so now we're gonna have to take these turn signals out of the old front bumper and put them on the new front bumper. I got this one because it doesn't have the license plate here, and same thing for this one, but at the same time I want to keep that OEM look with a carbon fiber front lid, which is I'm putting on soon. For these, you just have to take those two nuts, just like this one, these two nuts here, and push it right off. Oh, just like that. And then they're going to be put into the new one, just like that. Forward, and then just put the washer and nut back on. And now we're going to put it on the car. We just finished putting on the front bumper, and just like that. Now it kind of looks like it's falling down, kind of. But I'm gonna have to put a brace inside here so it could hold this, so it could go up like that. Rear bumper. Just like that. And then once we have the other one off, which she is doing right now, we're gonna put it on this one and then put it on the car. Just put the OEM bumper back on. As you can see how it looks. I like this better than the old body kit it had. But so far the car is looking good. So we're gonna put these 4 bolts back on and these 2 on the side, and then the center and outside tail lights, and then we should be good. Now we're gonna have to take these side markers off, put them on the fender over here, the white body kit, and then once we put it on the car, I'm gonna just use some bolts so it can hold it down. Do drill holes on both sides. Got it right there. Alright, and now pass me the tape. Alright, once you have it lined up, just grab some tape. Make sure it's all lined up. All good. Piece. Bam. We're gonna either longer screws, but I'm gonna delete it because I don't want this. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, guys, so that's it for today. So we got accomplished. We got the front bumper on. We have the rear, the sides. I'm gonna put the gas cap on later, and the front. Next thing I'm gonna do to it, I'm gonna bondo it up where it needs to be. I'm gonna seal this to the car and then bondo this to the car because I'm trying to mold it so it could just be one complete whole piece. So once that is done, I'm gonna have to sand all the car down and get it ready for paint. So thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Peace.